In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change opacity of background image in Wix. To begin, open your Wix editor and go to the part of your site where you want to adjust the background image. This can be a specific section of a page or the full page background, depending on how your site is set up. It is important to first click directly on the section or page that contains the background image you want to edit, because Wix gives you different editing options based on what is selected. Once you have selected the correct section or page, look for the option that says Change Section Background or Change Page Background. Click that button to open the background controls. This is where Wix lets you manage how the background looks, including the image itself and the visual settings tied to it. After that, you will see a preview of the background image. On that preview, click Settings. This will open the settings panel for that specific background. The settings area is where you can fine-tune the appearance of the image without replacing it. If your goal is to make the background lighter, softer, or less visually dominant behind your content, this is the exact place you need to be. In the settings panel, locate the opacity slider. Opacity controls how transparent or solid the background image appears. A higher opacity percentage makes the image look stronger and more visible. A lower opacity percentage makes it more transparent, which can help text and buttons stand out more clearly on top of the image. Now drag the slider to the percentage that gives you the look you want. Move it slowly and watch the live preview as you adjust it. This makes it easier to choose a level that fits your design. If your text is hard to read, lowering the opacity can improve clarity. If the image looks too faint, increase it slightly until you find a good balance between style and readability. Once you are happy with the result, make sure to publish your site. Publishing is what applies the change to your live website, so visitors can see the updated background opacity. That covers everything you need to know.